Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner. Welcome to the special episode because I bought these ones for one is charging over there. As you can see, it's 0.30 amps and it's 8.4 volt. It's charging. Yes, I had to go for the manual charge for the bench power supply and I'll show you why. Okay. So here we get a meter, let's put it on the 20 volts, let's get the stand out, let's get these probes and let's start. So, as you know, the circular one is the plus, I think everybody knows it. Look, 0 volts. This can go up to 3 amps or something, no problem, 0 volts still, yes, when you charge it. I try not to charge about like 0.506 amps because these are not that great, yes, but well, I see another one 0.00 and I thought that that's something wrong with my meter, and here is 825 and that one is 840. Yes, if we would lower the voltage here, okay, now voltage is 0, it's charged to the 8.2 volts because that's showing the voltage which is on the battery. So I'm trying to keep it at about 0.3, 0.2 amp, okay, charge not more than that. I don't want to risk it that one will be burned or anything. But this one, as you see, 825. This might be still alive. These 2 out of 4 are dead. That's my experience, guys, from Aliexpress. I'll show you the listing. That's the listing, okay. So yes, so I bought 4, 958 shipping. I paid for it, my orders. I paid for it 1482 because I wanted to save up. So I bought 4 of them for £15. So that's how much I would pay, for let's say 2 maybe on eBay. Let's check. I'll go to eBay. If you don't know, this Ecosia is they planting tree when you use the search. I'm not no benefits to me out of it, but I'm happy that they are planting trees, that's why I'm using it. What I want to say is 9 volt rechargeable battery. Okay, so let's check. Single one, look, it's 1000 charges. Yes, so it's 5 only. Yes, here is great price, 420. If I would know that one is so bad, I wouldn't order it. But it's written here 1200 milliamp hours. I see that now this one is 250 milliamp hours. So in that case, these ones are better. But when I was looking, there was about, I would say, over £5 when I was checking them out. Yes, so that's what I've seen. I didn't see those. That's why I bought from Aliexpress, just to see and compare the quality. Now you can see and check yourself that. Sorry, I've pressed the wrong button. Yeah, so to sum up, it's not that much of a saving when you order them from Aliexpress, plus you can face what I did. Yes, now I will be in the process of arguing with that company. Now will be a Christmas period, so I don't know if I will get a replacement. If I won't get the replacement, that's 1250. I see already then that here are like stronger and more current. We will see. I wanted this one for the alarms on the ceiling because the smoke detectors, because I've replaced the batteries once, and now I would have to replace it second time. So I thought, if I can order it in advance, I've ordered it in advance, and if I can replace all of them, then I can order maybe another pack after some time and have always one pack charged and then one pack in use. Yes, but it is what it is, and then I can use it for this as well, because that's using the same battery, and then for capacitance meter, because that's using the same battery. But as you see, it's not that great sometimes when you're ordering from China, so watch out. Maybe better spend those few more quid and buy it off eBay here locally. At least you will have quicker shipping, you save only a few quid, and you have a good example that it's not that worth at the end. Yes, so watch out the capacitance, because that's sad what is happening. Okay, let's say this won't be that terrible. 8.4 volts, fingers crossed, at least 2 out of 4, and then I'm going to argue. If they can't get 9 volts, yes, and they are called 9 volts, and in the auction is not, in the Aliexpress is not called, and it's nothing mentioned about any problems with that. Plus, when you look at it, yes, high quality, lithium battery, so it's a technology lithium, how to charge it, yes, because it's a lithium, so it's apply the same technique of charging what you use for your lithium batteries. But as they got a small capacitance, please remember to not use a lot of amps, because they will short quickly. If you will put too much current through them, they will just die. So yeah, and they've got a short circuit protection, high working temperature. That's why these two got 0 volts, for sure, that's why. Extremely low self-discharge rate, yes, that's it, guys. Now you see my order from China. Hope you get a lesson out of it. Thank you. Please down below the comments, comment if you want, and see you in the next video. If possible, let's fix them all. Take care. Bye bye.